Howdy Ursaboy fans, and welcome to another installment of me customizing my vintage clothes, the things I picked up from thrifting. We're doing another one this time. As you can see, we're bleaching. I didn't make this shirt, I actually bought it on eBay, but hopefully we make some cool ones just like this. So put your bleach shirt on. If you don't have one, then make one along with me. I haven't done this before, but I will be taking y'all step by step. So let's just get started. So for supplies, you definitely need a bunch of shirts. Well, you don't need a bunch, you can just do one, but I have a bunch. I have 15 shirts right here. You want preferably dark colors, darker colors, so that's what's gonna look best. And then you want some bleach. This is just Clorox bleach, like I showed y'all. It is half bleach, half water, and this should work great. But so as you've seen, I've rubber banded these all up, just like you do when you tie dye. I've done a bunch of different designs, just kind of went for just freestyle. We'll see what happens. A lot of spirals. It's pretty simple. You can just Google it. And then next step, what you need to do is to rinse them. Just gonna dampen them. Just use my hose, and then so that the dye can soak in better. So I'm gonna do that. All right, so I just sprayed them all with the hose. You don't need to get them absolutely soaked, just a little wet and damp so that the bleach can really soak it in. And also a PSA, definitely wear gloves. Last time when I tie-dyed, I said wear gloves, didn't listen to myself, and I came away with dyed hands for about a week. This time it's a little more than that because bleach will mess up your hands. And also don't drink bleach because no matter how good it tastes, it is not worth it. All right, so let's get dyeing. So this is what it's looking like after all that. Some of them came out very strong. I'm really loving how this blue shirt came out with the pink. Also this one kind of too. I'm really excited to see how it looks after I wash it out, but I should get to washing them out soon. I'm just gonna let them sit a little bit more, but I went and grabbed this blue shirt just because I liked how much those came out. So I'm definitely, when I do this again, I'm gonna look for more different color shirts because I thought just black would be the best, which it might still be, but and then this one I'm just gonna freehand, so y'all get to see the whole thing. Oh wait, I forgot I took my gloves off, but you know what, I'll just be careful. All right. um we'll see if anytime I ever say wear gloves in a video, if I actually keep them on. I promise I did for that whole time, and I'm fine, but we'll see if I look like Michael Jackson after this all. Just go for a different design, but like I said, you can go ham on them. Some of them I went ham on and they barely came out. I think maybe these two, they're actually the same shirt. I think they both didn't really come out that much, I think because it's a lot thicker material. I'm not sure if it's 100% cotton. I think you want 100% cotton, a lighter material. Just a t-shirt. You could do this on pants or anything really. I'll probably do that next, maybe some shorts, but I'm liking how these are coming out. I'm gonna do the back of this one, and then we're gonna go rinse. Okay, gloves are back on because it is time to rinse them all out. I got a lot to do. I've already done these two because those were the first ones I put in, but I got a lot to do. I don't want the bleach to sit in for too long, so I'm gonna just get it done, and then gonna put them in the washer, and then I'll show you all the reveal, and also check out the lobsters. Oh yeah. Okay, welcome back. It's been actually a couple days, but that's not because of I was bleaching the whole time. Just some stuff came up, you know. The process actually only takes a few hours, maybe one evening. I was already done that night. So I would really recommend bleaching. It was my first time, and I think it was pretty successful. But let me just show y'all the haul. I haven't really looked at all of them. I just took them out of the dryer and everything, so I kind of got a glimpse, but this is really my first reaction, besides this shirt, because it is literally my favorite one. I think it is absolutely gorgeous and beautiful and perfect. So I was already wearing this yesterday. I just couldn't wait. It is my perfect fit, you know, my size. It is vintage, single stitch, made in USA. It was already a dope shirt. This little alien Roswell shirt, and then I just think the bleach came out so beautiful. Like the pink, it just looks gorgeous. Honestly, like I did almost all black shirts, and just because I saw like how this one was reacting, like I said earlier, I went and grabbed a blue shirt, like y'all saw, and I actually grabbed one more, which y'all will see. But I'm definitely, so next time I bleach, I will definitely get more different colors. Cause well here we just have a bunch of black and some blue, but yeah, that one is an absolute banger. Like I'm keeping on to that forever. This next one actually was like about to wash it, and then I was like, well, there's not that much, like it didn't really show up on there. So I kind of went back and sprayed it all over more, and I thought it kind of looked really bad because like I don't know, it just kind of got over the place. But now that I'm looking at it, I kind of like it. It's like a rustic type of look. It's a Dreamville, my old Dreamville shirt. This is like my favorite shirt for a while ago. I mean, it doesn't fit no more, but I kind of like it. Like it is like a rustic type of look, like a distressed, faded, you know, to an extent. Like it really looks like it's rusted, but you know, it's just the bleach all over. I guess like that material just didn't react perfectly. I'm not sure why, but here you go to the next one. It is Happy Rusev Day. It is a Rusev. This was actually my last thrift haul, and then I decided to just bleach it. Definitely gonna do. I'm just excited to do more bleaching because, as you can see, not that much like got bleached actually. Like there's still like a bunch of open space, which is cool. Is good, but like the ones I wanted to do spirals, I didn't really go all the way in the crevices and stuff like I should have, and that's why there's like not as much bleach on it. And this was just my first time, so like the next one is gonna be crazy. Just wait, I'm already gonna be getting stocked up on shirts to do. I'll do it pretty soon because I think bleaching is just the way to go. It just comes out so cool. So I'm definitely gonna do that. I just so recommend it. Like doing it for my first time, I probably should have just done a couple shirts, but you know, I did like 17-ish, but I learned from it, and they'll only get better. And then next, if you saw my custom painted shirts that I did, that video, you'll definitely recognize this one. I painted this shirt a while ago. It is my vintage Go Vertical Johnson Space Center that I painted some like aliens on. I like put the moon, the me and the moon relate, you know, shout out Uzi, the aliens, the rockets, and then I was like, well, you know, I might as well go for the full customization, and I just grabbed this real quick off camera, you know, did this, and I think I love it. I think it's awesome. It's fully customized now. It's pretty exciting. My first like fully customized shirt, painted, bleached by me. I'm probably gonna sell it. You know, it's not my size, maybe. I don't know. Hit me up. Also, just comment which one of these shirts is your favorite. All right. My favorite. I mean, at least so far, is definitely the first one, the alien one. Got a lot of aliens. I mean, maybe it's a sign. This one also came out pretty cool, but like I said, this one was supposed to be like a spiral, and you can see it. Like there is a spiral there, but there could be more. You know. Because I just didn't get in the crevices, you know, that's just a life lesson. You gotta get in them crevices, baby. This Ambrose WWE shirt, I think it came out pretty cool, all in all. Oh, and then this one I was pretty scared to bleach and mess up because it is just a absolute banger of a shirt. You see that reflection? Isn't that beautiful? This reflection in the flames, the silver, it just... And I think the bleach just adds to it, honestly. Like, it's just a full look now. I wish the shirt fit better. This one's actually slightly too big, which is like a first. The back actually didn't get too much bleach on it. I don't know, like, why this... I guess, like, the technique I used, because I was really trying to avoid the center, because I didn't want to mess it up. So I guess, by the way I did it, like, the back is kind of empty, but it's on the sleeves, on the sides. I still like it. I think it's a sick shirt. Just adding, I mean, it just adds to it. This one, this shirt is, I mentioned I have two of them. Let me skip ahead a few shirts and find it. I got both of them. I was just going to list them on eBay, but when I decided to do the bleaching, I was like, well, might as well do both. Try different designs and see how they come out. They're both these vintage, single stitch, made in USA. You know how it is. Well, is it? Shoot, I'm so sorry, guys. I lied to you. It's made in Panama. I would just like to take this moment to apologize. This isn't made in USA, even though it has a USA flag on the sleeve, even though it's the US Army, the 87th, whatever that means, 5th 87th in what light fighters, you know, some Star Wars lightsaber things. I just thought these were cool. I picked them up and then I bleached them. This one I did like a half and half type of thing. It came out a little bit on the other side, but this one, like the bleach reacted a bit different too. Like it's kind of a grayish color, but I still like it. So this one, there's that one, and then there is this one where I did, I guess I did like a spiral maybe type of thing. Like yeah, that's what it looks like. I try to do. Again, no like perfect spirals, but next time there will definitely be. Just don't worry. So I still like those two. Next up, you know I got that champion on me on deck. I actually got multiple champions. You know, it's the essential champion spell out with the logo on the side. Came out pretty cool. Well, this is also another one that like there wasn't that much, so I just kind of sprayed the front, and I don't know. You got that like rustic type of look again. There's the back. It's alright. It's alright. This is the one. Here's another blue. Look at that blue and pink. I just love how the Bleach reacts with blue. Like I'm so excited to discover what it does with other colors. Like imagine red or green. I already got some shirts in mind. Like oh boy, we're just gonna see. Next time I go thrifting, I'm just gonna pick up some stuff, and we'll be back in bleaching again, better than ever, like Michael Jackson, you know. Yeah. Well, he's canceled. Never mind. Yeah. So I think it's pretty cool. This is just a shirt I like played basketball in, so like might as well freaking make it pink. This one actually, hold up. This one actually is a Drake shirt. What I thought was like Drake merch or something, you know, Drake. I looked it up, like, oh my god, it's real Drake clothing line. But no, this is not the same Drake that you're thinking of. This is actually the rapper, not Drake Bell. Nah, this is just a company. It's like a, I don't even know. They just make like work clothes, like hunting, I guess. Maybe just equipment clothes. And it also has like a hole in the front, so like I don't know why I picked it up. I mean I just picked it up because I thought it was Drake, which, you know, rookie mistake. You know, we all learn. So now it just has bleached on it. It's not exactly a pattern or nothing. I don't know about that. That shirt's kind of a dud, I guess. This one, the bleach looks like stands out very well. I like how that looks. Look at that. It reacted very well on this shirt. This Ram Tough Texas shirt. I think that is a gorgeous one. And again, a lot of these will be on my eBay. Ooh, and speaking of champion, how about this one? This is like an 80s vintage champion. You know, before I say it. Okay, it's made in Mexico. I didn't want to jinx myself again. It is embroidered. You got the logo on the sleeve. And this, like the spiral, again, very minimal, but I like it. I like how this came out. I think this is a very cool looking shirt now. You know, it's like vintage distress. Like it just adds to the look. I like it. I like it. Next one, I got absolutely just to bleach, just for this video. It's a creeper, baby. Oh shoot, sorry to scare you. Yep, it's a creeper. This one came out alright, but it is so tiny. Like literally, this is like a baby clothes. Like I could wear this on like my pinky toe and that's it. I got it just because I was like, well, I gotta put it in my bleach video because, you know, my Minecraft series. If you didn't know, you should go check out my Minecraft series. Just go to my channel, you know. It's so good, alright? But there you go, there's a creeper, baby. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that because it's like a baby clothes. This shirt I think is so awesome. I thought the bleach would be like closer to the actual like color of the shirt. This one I might retouch so like there's more bleach on it, but I still think it came out cool. I just think it's a very sick shirt. This like I just think Wild West stuff is awesome, and I'm a Spurs fan. That's like they're my favorite players, my favorite coach, you know. It's the West. It's how the West was won. Western Spurs shirt. I think this is a absolute banger. I love this shirt. And now it's got some bleach on it, and you know what? it didn't come out like perfect, but I'm not mad about it. Like I'm gonna wear this for sure. I like it. Oh, and last but not least, for sure, this one I also thought would be perfect for bleaching. It is a vintage Looney Tunes Taz. What's he say? He says, "What part of no don't you understand?" I was reading it backwards. Okay, it's flipped. All right, I'm not slow. Not that slow. I like this design. I like how it comes out on blue. Like this is different. It's not like pink. I think maybe this is more because this is more of a navy blue. But again, I'm just excited to see what this looks like with different colors, because I don't know. Bleaching is just exciting. Like tie dye is a lot more work actually. Like bleaching was pretty easy. It's like I said, it was only a few hours project. Like with tie dye, you kind of gotta wait, let it like soak in, and then you gotta wait for it to dry and everything. Bleaching is just boom, 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 because you don't want it to just sit. You don't want the bleach to sit in there. You want to rinse it out. And again, it's a lot less to rinse out than a whole bunch of ink, just like some bleach, like because it all really soaks in. So like I would definitely recommend bleaching. Like it is, anyone can do it if you just learn from my knowledge, my couple tips. Like really get in the crevices and go for it. Like spray a ton and just have fun. Just go for it. Like if you have a shirt you're like iffy about, just go for it. All right, you'll love it. It'll be worth it. All right. So thank you for watching. I'm very happy with this. I'm excited for my next Bleach video, my next Minecraft video, all my next videos. I appreciate your support. So thank you. So Papa bless. Stay 100. All right.